Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest products. Today, we're diving into the world of festive decor with the best fall-themed disposable tablecloths you can find on the market. If you're looking to spruce up your Thanksgiving or autumn-themed party, these tablecloths are a must-have. Let's jump right into it. These three-piece fall-themed tablecloths are designed to bring the spirit of autumn right to your dining table. Each tablecloth measures 54 by 108 inches, ensuring they fit most standard dining tables perfectly. They're made from durable plastic, which not only makes them easy to clean but also ensures they can handle the spills and messes that often come with lively gatherings. What sets these tablecloths apart are their delightful designs. From vintage pumpkins to intricate vines and maple leaves, each piece is crafted to evoke that cozy, autumnal feeling. Whether you're hosting a Thanksgiving feast or simply celebrating the fall season, these tablecloths add a charming touch to any occasion. Made from high-quality plastic, these tablecloths not only look great but also offer practicality. They're thick enough to resist tearing yet lightweight for easy setup and disposal. Cleanup becomes a breeze as well. Simply gather up the tablecloth after your event and dispose of it, no washing required. Whether you're setting up indoors for a family dinner or outdoors for a festive gathering, these tablecloths adapt beautifully to any setting. Their versatility means you can use them for multiple occasions throughout the fall season, making them a cost-effective choice for party planners and home decorators alike. Now, let's briefly compare these tablecloths with other options on the market. While there are many disposable tablecloths available, few combine the durability, aesthetic appeal, and thematic relevance quite like these. They stand out for their attention to detail and the festive atmosphere they create. In conclusion, if you're searching for the best fall disposable tablecloths that effortlessly blend practicality with autumn charm, look no further than these three-piece sets. With their delightful designs and durable construction, they're sure to enhance your fall celebrations without breaking the bank. That wraps up our review of these fantastic fall-themed tablecloths. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews on products that matter to you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.